Yesterday we had started with the chapter triangle and its properties, and we have discussed about the 6 elements of the triangle, and those were Satvik, Drishti. 6 elements of the triangle. Don't turn up the pages, it's very bad. Just lean. Yes, very good. It's 3 sides and 3 angles. Vertices are not included in the elements of the triangle. Kushi, close the door. Got it? What are 6 elements? 3 sides and are called the 6 elements of a triangle. And we have discussed one particular type of triangle. What's the name? Yes, last one. What's the name of that triangle? You were there in the class yesterday? Very good. And you haven't attended the online class, I think so. What? Yes, him. Bolo Hardik. We have discussed right angle triangle. I am explaining it again. We have discussed about the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Listen to me. I am just explaining it for you. Don't write side by side. ABC is a right angle triangle. Right angle at C. The side which is opposite to right angle is called and these two sides are called legs of the triangle. This one is called and this one is called and both are called. Okay? And in case of the right angle triangle, if one of the side is missing, then you can apply a theorem that is known as Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras is the name of the mathematician who has derived this result, and the result is named after his name, and that is known as Pythagoras theorem. And the result is hypotenuse, H stands for hypotenuse, is equal to perpendicular stands for P, and base having the short form B. So hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus B square. And by this you can get any of the missing side of the triangle. And first 3 questions from the exercise we have done. Any doubt in these 3 questions? Okay. So let's start with the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, which of the following can be the side of the right angle triangle? Yes, listen to me carefully. If a triangle is a right angle triangle, then it will satisfy Pythagoras theorem. This is Pythagoras theorem. And if the 3 sides of the triangle satisfy this Pythagoras theorem, that means the triangle must be a right angle triangle. Have you got it? If it is a right angle triangle, then it must satisfy this theorem. And if the 3 sides of the triangle are satisfying this theorem, that means the triangle must be a right angle triangle. Got it? Now in the 4th question, first part, 3 sides are given, 2.5. These 3 sides are given and you have to verify, and you have to verify whether this is a right angle triangle or not. If it satisfies this theorem, that means it must be a right angle triangle. Now, let's start with this. So what you will do, you will use the Pythagoras theorem. You will write here Pythagoras theorem. Arshia, tomorrow morning you will collect all the notebooks of the class. And it's compulsory to deposit the notebook by tomorrow. Okay? Otherwise, it won't be checked later on. So it's compulsory. Whosoever is present, they will deposit the notebook positively by tomorrow. Whatsoever work you have done, if you have not reached this topic, it's okay. Whatsoever work you have done, you have to get it checked. Is it okay? Ye nahi bhi kiya, no problem. You can give it next time. So by Pythagoras theorem, you have h square is equal to p square plus b square. Now you will verify whether these two sides are equal or not. If they are equal, then it will be a right angle triangle, otherwise no. Hypotenuse, I have told you, is the last, ye bolo aap, haan ji. Hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle. That is always the side which is opposite to the right angle. And which is the longest of all these? So hypotenuse is your 6.5. Perpendicular square you can take, I have told you, you can take it this as base, this as perpendicular, and vice versa, both is okay. Now perpendicular is 2.5, I can write, and base is 6. Is it okay? 6.5 square means 65 into 65. Now look here. One new method I'm going to tell you here is, if the numbers are same that are ending with 5, there is one shortcut way to solve them. Like 25 into 25. 5 5s are, add 1 to this number, it will become 3 2s are. कल किया था ना, 25 square is 625. Next is 15 square. 15 square means 15 into 15. 5 5s are. Rivya, stop this. Keep it down. Add 1 to this number, it will become 2. 2 1s are. See one more. 35 into 35. This method is particularly for the number that is ending with 5 and the number should be same. You can't multiply 15 with 25. That will not give you the correct answer. So number should be same and even it should be end with 5. 5 5s are. 1 added to this will give you 4 3s are. Now 65 into 65. 5 5s are. 7 7 6 are. Now the decimal is there, so you will put decimal before the 2 digits. That will be 42.25. 42.25. Any doubt? Now similarly, I have told you this. Where you will put decimal? 6 point, and what is 6 square? 6 square. 6 6 are. Now add them, you will get 42.25. Are you getting the same answer on both the sides? So will it be a right angle triangle? Because it is satisfying the Pythagoras theorem, then it must be a right angle triangle. Got it? Aryan, what you are writing? With whose permission you are writing? So what you will write here? Left hand side is equal to, this implies this is a right angle triangle. Note it down, this first part. I will tell you the homework later on. Do it on the rough. कौन सा simple method? Multiply. Perfect. But you are here in the class to learn new things. So I think you should learn. If you have any doubt, I can explain it again. But you should learn the new things. अब मैं आपको एक और बात बताऊं, एक रिजल्ट और भी होता है. आपको पता है, आपको ये पता है कि एक ट्रायंगल की 3 साइड्स होती हैं, उनमें 2 साइड का जो सम होता है ना, किसी भी 2 साइड का सम, वो थर्ड साइड से ग्रेटर होता है. सम ऑफ 2 साइड्स इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द, इफ इट इज नॉट सो, देन द ट्रायंगल विल नॉट बी फॉर्म्ड. यस, चेक इट. व्हेन यू ऐड दीज टू, 6 plus 2 is 8. 0.5 बन के हो गया 9. 9 is greater than 6. When you add these two, 12.5, which is greater than the third side. ठीक है? If you add these two, that is, if you add the this we have done. Now add these two, that is 8.5. That is greater than the third side. the sum of two sides is always greater than the third side, then only the triangle is possible. But here in this case, 2 plus 2 is, which is less than the third side. The triangle is, even simple triangle is not possible. Then what? How can we talk about a right angle triangle? Got it? So you can show it by this method also, but here this result you can utilize here. Question दिखाना है. Actually, they are talking about the right angle triangle, and this thing is simply about all type of triangle. This thing is applicable to all type of triangle, but we will go with the right angle triangle first because the question is about the right angle triangle. What you will do? You will use by Pythagoras theorem. मत बोलो. H square is equal to P square plus B square. Yes, last one. Can you tell me what is hypotenuse here? Your name is? Last one. Hanji. Hypotenuse. Then which one is the longest of these three? Yes, very good. It's 5. What is 5 square? Whosoever will be asked, that person will answer. Nobody else will give the answer. Bolo, Samir. Samir है ना name? 2 square is? What do you mean by 2 square? 2 multiply by? क्या होता है? 4. ये क्या होता है? 4 plus 4. Are they equal? So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. This implies this is not a right angled triangle. Got it? Sit down. Is it okay? Any doubt? Third part, mark it down, that you will do in the rough notebook as homework. Yes, can you tell me, we have done with these two parts, and the question is, if it is a right angle triangle, then identify the right angle from this. Let's write this side. Out of these three sides, which is the hypotenuse? And remaining two sides can be 6 and name it ABC. Which is the right angle triangle? Which is right angle? And right angle, I said. Right angle. I said, which is the right angle out of these three? Angle B. The angle that is opposite to 6.5 will be your right angle. So angle B is 90. ये भी note कर लो इस part के साथ. And it is not a right angle triangle, so we can't talk about the right angle. If it is not a right angle triangle, how we can say that it contain a 90 degree angle? उसमें होगा 90 degree का angle? क्यों नहीं होगा? क्योंकि ये right angle ही नहीं है. ठीक है? तो ये right angle triangle ही नहीं है, तो how right angle can be formed? Okay. हाँ जी. स्लो नहीं होता. स्लो होता स्लो ना कर लेते, होता ही नहीं. Can be the switch on or off. Roll number 2. 21, 27, 28, 48, 51, Himalaya. Now, have you drawn this figure with the first part? Question number 4 we are done with. Question number 5. नहीं बोलना, किसने कहा? गलत, बहुत गलत हैबिट है लक्ष्य. क्यों बोल रहे हो बच्चे? आपने सुना नहीं मुझे मैंने क्या कहा? Complete silence. Question number 5. A tree is there. A tree है. A tree is broken at the height of 5 meters from the ground. इसकी हाइट है, हमें नहीं पता कितनी है. ये 5 मीटर से ना ये ट्री यहाँ से ब्रोक हो गया. ठीक है, it has been broken up by the wind. So this part has bent like this and it is now touching the ground like this. This broken part, due to brokage, it has come here and it is touching the ground at this point. What do you mean? This part and this part are equal. Will they be equal? If this is H, this part is also H, and tree is standing straight on the ground, and then it is making 90 degree with the base. Is it so? इसको बुलाना जरा. हाँ जी, इधर ध्यान दो. These two things will be equal. This is a right angle triangle, and the side which is opposite to right angle is your, this is your perpendicular, and the top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meters from the base of the tree. This tree upper part, corner point is touching the ground at 12 meters from the base. So base is given, height is given, hypotenuse is missing, that you have to find. By which method you will find that? So before that, some description is there that you need to write here before starting. So let's draw the figure, name it first. A, B, C, D. What is the name of the triangle? Name of the triangle? ABC. And what is the name of the tree? BD. Name of the triangle tree is BD. Yeah, DB you said. नीचे रखो इसे. BD is the total height. ये कौन बोला था अभी BD वाला? ये बोला था. BD is the total height of tree. This is the total height of the tree that you need to find. Actually, the question is you need to find the total height of the tree before brokage. ठीक है? Yes. In triangle ABC, angle B is 90. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, H square is equal to P square plus B square. What is hypotenuse here? Why you are writing? This we have supposed as H. Hypotenuse is your H. Perpendicular is 5. Base is 5 square is 12 square is. Yesterday we have discussed this. Who will tell me the square root of this? It is the root of which number? Square of 13 and square root of this. इसको square root बोलते हैं जब आप इसका half करते हो ना, इसको equal part में 2 में divide करते हो, that is called square root. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? H square is equal to 13 square. H is equal to 13. H you have got total height of tree is equal to h plus 5. H plus 5 is the total height of the tree and h is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18 centimeters. Note down. Done. Question number 6. Read out the statement at least 2-3 times. Yes, everybody read out the question. मैंने ये तो बोला ही नहीं. Read silently. Now look here. Angle Q and R of the triangle PQR is as given 25 degree and 65 degree. 3 statements are given and you have to tell me which one is the correct statement. Now look here. As the name of the triangle is PQR, PQR. Can we find this missing angle? What is the sum of all the 3 angles of the triangle? So we can find the third angle by angle sum property. By angle sum property, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is 180. This is the reason. Angle P is missing, angle Q is 25, angle R is 65, angle P is 90 degrees. Now, if this angle P is 90, then the side which is opposite to angle P is the side which is opposite to right angle is a आपको टाइम नहीं मिलता लिखने का? नहीं मिलता कि लिखते ही रब कर देते हैं साथ ही? क्यों वेट नहीं हो रही आपसे? अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं होगी तो लिखोगे क्या आप? If one angle is 90 degree, then the side opposite to right angle is your hypotenuse. So in this angle P is 90 and the side opposite to this 90 is your hypotenuse. So can we say that by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse, ये hypotenuse है, is equal to perpendicular PQ or base PR square. Is it okay? The side opposite to right angle is your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So check which statement is matching with this. आपकी बुक में देखो कौन सी इसके साथ टैली हो रही है. That one is correct. Second, तो second one is correct. ठीक है? Clear? Note down. Yes, stay quiet. In this sixth question, two angles are given. Firstly, the statements that are given to you that are in the form of Pythagoras theorem. And we know that Pythagoras theorem is only applicable in case of, but still it is not a right angle triangle. So you have to first verify it whether it is a right angle triangle or not. So two angles are given. By angle sum property, we have got the value of the third angle as 90. Do you have any doubt in this? What doubt? दोनों को प्लस किया 60 प्लस 20 80 5 प्लस 5 10 80 प्लस 10 कितना हो गया 90. दोनों को ऐड करो ना 90 when you shift on the right side it will be negative. प्लस में था ना उधर जाके क्या हो गया माइनस. when you subtract it you will get 90. ये वैल्यू आ गई 90. Now one angle we have got as 90. If one of the angle of a triangle is 90, then it must be a right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. So in case of right angle, you are able to apply that theorem. So the side which is opposite to 90 degrees is your hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. That's what I have written. इसकी opposite side कौन सी है? QR. QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. इसको पहले लिख दो, इसको बाद में, कोई बात नहीं. लेकिन ये फिक्स है. हाइपोटेन्यूज स्क्वायर फिक्स है, बाकी दोनों को जैसे मर्जी लिख दो, स्क्वायर लगा देना. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर, थिंक, डिस्कस एंड राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. पेज नंबर 131. Question number 1. You have given a right angle triangle. Right angle at PQR is a right angle triangle. Right angle at. Have you read out the question? No, Hardik has not read. है ना? Read it out. Find the longest side of the triangle PQR. Right angled at P. Right angled at P. QR. The side opposite to right angle is your. So QR is the. Clear? Do the second part. Second question. Do second question. Hurry up. That is exactly same.